Sustainable asset management is really a subset of sustainable manufacturing. And when we say sustainable manufacturing, that's a general term that applies to any organization that depends upon equipment assets for creating value. So this would be the mining industries, process industries such as the petrochemical industry, and it also, of course, includes manufacturing of a variety of different goods. So sustainable asset management relates to the design of the assets that we employ, say in the mining industry or other asset-intensive industries, the manner in which we operate those, the manner in which we maintain those, and then, of course, at the end of the asset life cycle, the manner in which we reuse or recycle, or in some cases, dispose. It really is very much about focusing on the materials that we use and, of course, materials that we release into the environment. Intelligent asset management is about the acquisition of data, the conversion of that data into meaningful information that can enable people to make better decisions, in some cases to automate certain aspects of the process so that the assets are better able to serve those dashboard goals of profit, safety, and environmental performance. And what they have found is that by implementing existing best practices and existing technology, so we're not talking about futuristic changes, but just by implementing existing best practices and technologies, organizations in the mining industry can reduce their energy consumption by 20%. If you reduce your carbon impact by improving energy efficiency, you're also spending less money on that energy. There are the technical artifacts of asset management, which is how we design the equipment, how we monitor the equipment, so on and so forth. Then there are what I call the organizational artifacts. So those are the people, procedures, processes, the culture, the norms. And then you have what are called the individual artifacts. Are people motivated? Are they rewarded for behaving in a way that maximizes value creation and minimizes environmental and adverse safety impacts? Intelligent asset management is the hardest thing to do. As a consulting engineer in this area, when I visit a mine site or I visit any other plant, I've been doing this for 33 years, so I've been in a few. I make observations and I ask the question, why do we do this way? All right, if it's a practice that I don't like. And the most common response is, well, that's just the way that we've always done it. It takes 10 years of sustained leadership to make those changes stick, so that when I walk in and I see a good practice, I see somebody really doing things right in terms of managing their equipment assets, and I ask the question, why do we do it this way? You know what I want to hear? That's the way we've always done it.